This is so stupid. Hi, almost didn't see you dear totally. So, today I have another pair of Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 2 running shoes. And it is stupid because, well, first, it is stupid because I already have the Adios Pro 2 in the original colorway. Now, whenever I buy any new product, I try to get them in the color that the manufacturer uses in its press photos, because it's the same way like when I play games, when I play video games, I try to use the manufacturer recommended settings, not because I'm averse to tweaking things to my own. I actually enjoyed it to my own taste, but because when it comes to like buying products in the manufacturer's own colors especially, uh, it is because I feel that a lot of thought process went into it, and they arrived at this particular colorway, the particular design scheme, the graphics, because they felt that that was what suited that particular product the best, the design, according to the eyes of the designer who made it, who designed it. Of course, there is also personal preferences, like you don't always have to agree with that. Everybody has their own taste, and when my taste differs from what the designer intended, then I do buy those in the colorway that I want. uh, so that was how I ended with this, my first pair of Adidas Adizero Adios Pro, and I really love it. It is the standard colorway, and I really love it. And then just a couple of weeks ago, I found this colorway, and first of all, don't ever take any financial advice from me if we happen to cross paths someday, because this is absolutely unsound financial advice. It is not good for your wallet, and nobody should ever do it. But I bought another exact pair of Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 2 in this limited edition Tokyo colorway. So let me just show it to you. And by now, if you were like the 5 or 6 people who actually do watch my videos, then you already know what this shoe is about. But while I show this particular shoe and colorway to you, let me explain the thought process. So as you can see, I injured my hand from weightlifting almost a month ago, and I haven't been to the gym. So I'm trying to supplement that by actually upping my cardio to lose a bit more weight. So I have been trying to up my cardio, and coming back from injury, all your personal best and records and PRs all takes a steep dive if you are coming back from injury. Like even cardio goes down. Like if you take a break for even 2 weeks, weightlifting, your muscle mass goes down if you take a break for around 3 weeks to a month. So I have seen both my muscle mass as well as my cardio go down. And this Adios Pro 2 was the one that helped me recover and get back to my personal best time from earlier, which is around 6 minutes and 27 per kilometer. 6 minutes 27 kilometers is my average pace per kilometer when I run about 7k to 10k in the mornings. But I really like this pair of shoes. It is lightweight. It has got carbon fiber. This is my third carbon fiber plated shoe, as you might have seen from my previous videos. But because I run in almost every season, and this is white, it has gotten dirty. So I can't exactly use it for going to the office, which I do go to office wearing running shoes. So when this colorway came along, this was not something that I had even seen on Adidas website earlier. So this was something that I found on a Malaysian website, and that is because this particular colorway was sold for a limited time only in Asian markets. So when I found this unsold piece, I immediately had to go for it. It has got, instead of the Adidas logo here, it has got this I'm assuming it is Tokyo Marathon or something else, Asian Chinese lettering embossed on it, and apart from the colors, that's about the only difference between these two shoes. Now this pair of shoes, yes, so I really love the colors. Obviously I paid around, all in all, along with shipping and imports, and I had to pay a little bit of customs. So all in all, I had to pay around 21,500 rupees, which comes to around 260 US dollars for this. My second pair of Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 2. So you might be thinking, why didn't I go for any of the newer models instead of buying two of the same model? Why didn't I go for the Adios Pro 3, which I don't have, or the Prime X strung, especially the strung, the Prime X in the strung upper, which I absolutely love? Well, that's because I tried the Adios Pro 3 at the Adidas outlet, and it was extremely unstable. So as you can see, this shoe already is teetering on the edge of instability. While this part is fine, while the mid is fine, it is here, the energy rods, you can see it is here that it slims down drastically. Then it has got it tapered. This is tapered, so that you know the heel is tapered, so it is already pretty unstable for normal walking. Running, perfectly fine, no complaints, no knots. But when working, or when you are in office, or when you are in the gym, it is not a very good shoe it is already not a good shoe for working and all those. Even though it is extremely comfortable, extremely breathable, as you can see, it is almost transparent. It is extremely breathable. So the Adizero Pro and the Adios Pro 3 is even one step even more aggressive in its outsole and midsole. So that is, I found that to be extremely unstable, and that's why I'm skipping that. I'm gonna wait for the Adizero Adios Pro 3. Now the Prime X strung is one that I absolutely adore in pictures, and one that I really would love to buy, but unfortunately it is not available in India at all, and neither are any of my usual suppliers, importers, willing to send it to me. I haven't found a particular a size that is apt for me, in the color that is apt for me, that can ship to India yet. So if any of my friends go to the United States or Europe in the next couple of months, I might be able to get a pair of Prime X strung. But until then, one for running, one for actual running, and this one as casual wear. And that is why I bought it. And the funny thing is, I'm not actually even a big fan of red, because it is a very loud color, and I like muted, subtle colors like green, dark blue, navy blue, all this sort of colors. But when it comes to shoes, I'm okay. I'm okay with loud colors. I'm okay with these yellow streaks. I'm okay with it. As for the quality, well, as for how it actually fares in running, I don't need to tell you that there are people far more qualified than me and making umpteen videos about how these shoes have dominated in the Berlin Marathon, the Boston Marathon, London Marathon, and all those. I'm certainly not of that caliber, but we are getting there. So yeah, that's about it. The I didn't even tell you the model name. So it is the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 2 model, and model name is GX0633. Yeah, hard to find, extremely hard to find, limited edition. So yeah, terrible financial advice, but hey, you only live once, right? Plus it's not like any of us are getting younger any day. So yeah, buy what you want, live the life you want, enjoy them if you are into that sort of thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.